Hello, my name is Alex, and welcome to Red Storm Weekly. This is week 2, and our team has started building our robot. Let's go see what they're doing.
So we got new gearbox plates this year. They were laser cut, but you can pretend like I did them. So they're way lighter to cut down on the weight of the old gearbox plates, but they should be just as strong. It'll also probably help us see if something breaks inside of it, because you can look through one of 17,000 holes on it. They were catted by Jason. We just had to make some of the holes bigger, but everything should be way more snug on these because they're laser cut. And we just have to get all of the new talons in there and all greased up, and then they should be good to go.
What are you gonna do with this for the rest of this week and the rest of the day?
We have to attach four more of these, 2 on each side, and then we have to grease it up. We had it running for 30 minutes in one of the other rooms, which is what that noise was. So now they're all ready to be fully put together, and then we'll just have to do that for the other 2 chassis. Just gonna do that.
We're currently working on.
Are you extending?
Yeah, we're using magnets. And it's gonna suck because magnets never worked before in any of our robots.
Alright, so it's about 10:50 on Saturday. Last week I was about 20 minutes late. Today I'm about an hour late, and it was an unfortunate series of circumstances. So most likely, or not most likely, but I'm probably the last one in. So we're gonna go and meet with the team, see if the meeting is done. I hope not. We need to do those interviews, man. In the back of his van, QC boxes to deliver them to customers.
It's been really busy. We repaired probably 8 FTC controllers, thanks to Cameron. Most of the problems were bent internals, so that was pretty easy to fix. Then we went into a prototyping spree. We actually built 3 prototype electrical boards, 2 of them that programming has been using for testing stuff, which is really good. This is our 3rd one here. Show that if you haven't figured it out. This is an electrical board. It has everything you need to run your robot on it. This one is a prototype, and we figured we can bolt this onto whichever robot chassis is ready to go right away, and it has enough controls to drive everything on there. Additionally, we're making up brand new batteries for this year for competition. Those of you that don't know, we generally have batteries that we take to competition, and then we have batteries that we use here to play with that we don't take to competition. So we'll have a full set of brand new, never before used batteries to take to competition when we're done. We're putting connectors on. We have a pair of crimpers here in case anybody wants to do their fingernails. And this is a typical battery connector we put on. This is one we made today. This is the robot end, and we're going to make a battery end, and they'll mate together. We'll make a bunch of the battery ends and a few of the robot ends, and we're going to use the bigger power connector this year, I think. I think it depends on how many motors. Right now our motor budget is way over. We might make it, so we're going to see. Other than that, for the rest of the day, we're gonna take a nap. We're done.
Checking out, revising code, we have basic controls down. Earlier we were working on getting the gearboxes broken in.
We're gonna hopefully try and actually pair the code with some of the other mechanisms people are working on, and we should be able to get them to work, assuming that everything goes according to plan.
And that's all for week 2 on Red Storm Weekly. I'll see you guys later. Goodbye.